Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. I do fashion curls and lifestyle travel videos, so if you like that kind of stuff, then you're right here. Fashion week is going on right now, the whole of September, so Paris, Milan, Copenhagen, London. So if you want to see like how you can style your regular clothing to be fashion week appropriate, then just keep watching. So let's start off with Copenhagen Fashion Week. Copenhagen for me is just the representation of comfort, futuristic style, and a lot of bright colors. I styled this lime green skirt with this activewear top I got. It's not a set, but it looks like that. And lime green is so big this season, so I thought it would be the perfect base layer, and I layered it with this metallic vest I got. It is just so perfect, like this color clash just looks so good in my opinion and just screams Copenhagen Fashion Week. I also put on these Chanel sunglasses I got like over 10 years ago, I think 15 years ago or so. They were in the early 2000s and now they're coming back and it just fits perfectly. This Copenhagen Fashion Week is more laid back in the sense that comfort is really important. I chose this Dr. Martens sandals I got in this white with a really cool sole. So we look cool but we're still comfortable. And also I topped it off with this silver bangle I have since forever. Literally I haven't worn this forever, but I thought it fits so well to the silver metallic outfit and it just screams fashion week. It's not something I would wear on a regular basis, but I think this combination just looks so cool and unique and it's like the perfect street style for Copenhagen. So if you want to be fashion week appropriate, then I definitely recommend you wear lime green and silver together. It's such a good combination and makes you stand out and everyone's gonna turn their heads. Next up I have an idea for Milan Fashion Week. So I have this really beautiful yellow dress. It has a lot of ruffles and on the arms they're really big and voluminous. I think this dress alone looks super stunning and just caught any attention. You could wear this to a special occasion like a wedding or so as well, or like a summer holiday, like a summer wedding or something. But I thought, let me make something different out of this look, and I paired it with these heels that I have since forever and these brown sunglasses that just match so well together. And on top I would wear this burgundy red really dark blazer that it has the same length as the dress, so it ends at the same length and I think it looks so nice. It's just draped over, it doesn't cover the dress up at all. Like you can see all the ruffles, you can see the arm ruffles. It's just like draped over and gives it a really nice shape, and I like that it is like two different styles, like this more girly, sweet style and then this really sophisticated blazer. Milan Fashion Week is all about colors, so I think it fits so well, and also the color combination fits because Milan is also about contemporary and like vintage style, so I think these two clashes of the colors and the styles just fits so well to Milan, and this is a style that I would wear. I also like it that the shoes are also in a brown tone, but they're not exactly the same style. Everything is a bit different, and that's the key to fashion week outfits. You have to be a bit risky, you have to try new things out, combine things that may not fit at first glance, and a lot of things will not work out. Like I've tried on so many different combinations and had to find like the perfect fit for each other, but it's so much fun to try different styles out that or different combinations that you wouldn't have thought about before. And I'm always surprised myself about like how I came up with these outfits and like what really fits together, because a lot of things just I wouldn't have thought, and I love that aspect about fashion week. It's all about having fun and being a bit risky, so it's not about staying in your comfort zone at all. But I also think it should reflect your own style of fashion as well, so it's a balance of being experimental but also kind of reflecting your own personal style on that. Next up is New York Fashion Week. New York Fashion Week just represents boldness, mixing patterns, mixing different colors. It's very out there. It's not like this classic look at all. It's very out there. You can literally do everything at New York Fashion Week, I think, and you can really be very experimental with it. and I think that's so much fun. I think for New York Fashion Week, as a base layer, this jeans denim kind of dress fits so well. It has this denim print with different denim colors on it, but it is a sheer material, and if you know, sheer fabrics is super in this season and last season and this whole year, so this is a great way to go. And to add that extra spice to it, I added this white top that I around, but I didn't wear it the way that it actually should be worn. It's just a regular, normally you would just wear it around the chest and tie it around. I wore it upside down, so it looks different and has a different touch to it. And it doesn't cover like your whole chest, it's just like this special added styling piece. And then I tied it around my waist as well, but it just gives, I think. And I wear these white naked boots, ankle boots that I have, and white sunglasses, and also this bracelet that just is like something different and gives a different vibe to it. Next up is Paris Fashion Week, and Paris Fashion Week is like the fashion week of all fashion weeks. It's the most classic fashion week, I think, so all the styles, all the street styles have an element of classic piece in them. The base layer, I chose this satin cargo pants, which are just perfect, I think, because it is cargo pant, which is really trendy, but it is in a satin material, which just looks way more classy. And then I paired it with this black Klein corset top, because corsets are like so big as well, so I just thought it fits really nicely and kind of represents Paris really well. And I didn't choose heels for this look. I thought heels would look really good too, but I thought these flats, because flats are also coming really big now. Comfort is also very important. It's not only about fashion anymore. It's not about styling, it's about comfort. I chose this really like elegant flats with the gold detailing, and it goes really well with this blazer I chose. It's a very, very old vintage blazer, but it just gives Paris. It has this shoulder paddings, which give a lot of structure to the outfit, and gold buttons as well, which ties in with the shoes. I also put on this gray gold bangle to like finish the look off. So this is a very classic chic look, but has a modern twist to it. Next up we have London Fashion Week, and London just gives more a traditional look as well. I think also when it comes to the color palette, it is a bit more toned down than like, for example, Milan or Copenhagen or New York. Still very interesting, but very classic tailored pieces. So as a base layer I have this long olive green maxi skirt, and with that I'm wearing this top I'm wearing right now. It is like a one shoulder olive top, and it has a really nice pattern on it, which is why I chose it. I think just is perfect for fall because it has more texture to it. I tucked it into my skirt so I have more of a waist, and on top I threw on this Burberry coat. It's really cute, it's like cropped, and I got this also some years ago, and it looks so cute and perfect for fall. I thought it also breaks up the look. I think the top and the skirt have more of a modern feel, but the jacket is more the classic look in it, even though it's not that classic because it is cropped, but the style of it is the classic piece. And instead of going for heels, I chose these burgundy colored Copenhagen loafers. I'm so in love with them. They're perfect for fall. I like that they're not black or white. I see most loafers are black or white, but these are really beautiful burgundy dark color, and depending on the light also it looks different. I put some thick socks on, and I think that classic shoe and the classic coat just fits so well together, but it breaks like the whole style that you would normally expect, because I wouldn't wear normally this kind of top and skirt with loafers and a Burberry coat. I like that it makes it interesting. You look twice at the outfit because it's not something that you would expect. And then I topped it off with the same sunglasses that I wore to the Milan outfit. Just this big 70s inspired like brown sunglasses, but you can see through. So it's more of an autumn sunglass where you can see like the eyes through the glass. And I also put on this zebra bangle, because it is also not something that you would expect with this look, and it just makes it more interesting. So that was it. These were my ideas for Fashion Week. I hope you like this video. Please comment down your favorite outfit, and I hope I could give you some styling tips and some inspiration for trying out different style combinations as well, and finding like really fun looks that you want to wear. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm posting regular content on here, and also follow me on Instagram if you want to see more fashion related content at Bold Sarah Fashion. And I can't wait for the next video. See you. Bye.